Hi guys, my name is Vishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna tell you guys that how you can learn to say no, which is very important thing in anyone's life. And just to make it easy, I've divided this into three parts. First is say no to a situation which is causing so much harm to you. Second is saying no to people, and third, saying no to yourself. So let's get into the video. Personally, I am also working on this, and this is really helpful. Like really, I can really see a progress inside me. I can feel peace, by not thinking other people, like if I say no, uh, what they will think about me and they will judge me, and I feel so much peace. This is really helpful. When you learn to say no, you will be so free, you will feel so free, you will be like a butterfly. I'm telling you, you will feel like a butterfly. Saying no to a situation which is causing so much damage is, I would say, saying no to a situation is an internal challenge. It is very difficult. I know it's very difficult, but it is about your peace. And we get used to situations, like if something is bad happening, we will be like, it's okay, it's just one time, and the pattern just goes so smoothly, we don't even realize. We get too used to it. You get so much comfortable in the bad situations, like you get so used to it, you can't even see the results, you get so blind to the results, like something bad is happening, like okay, and you ignore it one time, again it happened, you again ignore it, and the harm is also really slow, but harm with the time, it can really damage you, it can really damage a part inside you. So you have to like sit down and ask yourself, what did just happen? Is it acceptable? Should I be okay with this? And if one part says no, you should have the courage to stand up and leave that situation. No matter what the circumstances are, you can't harm yourself anymore. You have to leave that situation. No matter if it's like it's your job, and it's the same pattern. You are going to your office, you are getting late, subah subah jaldi utna, and breakfast, you get so tired. Office mein jaake boss is shouting on you, and no one is appreciating you, and you get so tired. But that situation, you get so used to it, like ah, ये तो इसका रोज का है, क्या कर सकते हैं. No, that the person is not giving you appreciation, what you do can damage your confidence. You will be feel like, मैं क्या करूँ अब इसमें, मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. No, but you should be like, I don't deserve this. I am doing so much for everyone in this office and no one is appreciating me. I'm not gonna work here anymore. I am leaving this situation right now, and you have to leave that situation right now. Second thing, saying no to peoples. See, saying no to peoples is more like a social challenge rather than the internal challenge. So you got very, anxious when it comes to say no to people. You'll be like, oh my god, what if they judge me? It can become so much complicated, there will be conflict, and I'll be not a good person anymore, everyone will judge me. All those thoughts will automatically come in your mind and made you say yes to the situation. Saying yes to those people who don't even appreciate your efforts, who don't even give a shit about your feelings, they don't care about what you feel, and you keep saying yes to those people, You harm yourself. You are the reason you are feeling depressed and anxious. You are the reason. And you can get out of everything by saying, no, no, I don't like it. Nah, no, this is not for me. I can't do this. No. And last but not the least, saying no to yourself. It is a very, so it takes so courage. It is very internal and social both challenge, you know. If you learn saying no to yourself, first you need to learn saying no to yourself, then you can go to the next step and saying no to other people's and the situation. You need to encourage yourself. You need to say this to yourself, like, no, Vishali, no, this is not worth it. This is not what you deserve. You deserve so much better people in your life, so much better situation, so much better everything, right? You can't take this shit anymore. You don't deserve this. You worth so much better than this. And you can be around people who are very loving and caring and appreciate everything. But with these people, no. If someone is toxic and can't do anything for you, leave them. No, you can't be a doormat, right? Stop doing things for other peoples who don't appreciate your efforts. And for that you need to learn to say no to yourself and stand up and be like, no, this is not what I deserve. I deserve much better than this. I can do much better than this. And no one can use me one more time. I won't let this happen, right? And if you don't help yourself, who else will? How can you expect other people to help you if you can't even help yourself first? And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked it and it's really helpful for you. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will come back tomorrow with something new, with something more great. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you. Bye.